Hey, it's Putt Putt. So I get a lot of questions about the Garmin inReach Mini because I do use it on all of my adventures. And a few weeks ago, I got a question about how to use this little guy to text on your phone in the backcountry like you would kind of do a normal text on your phone, except you don't have cell service. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use this little guy to text like normal on your phone when you don't have cell service. At this point, make sure your phone is turned on and make sure you have Bluetooth on your phone. So make sure the Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. The first thing you're going to need to do is download the Garmin Earthmate app onto your phone. Once you've got that downloaded, open it up in your phone, agree to the license agreement stuff, go ahead and hit next. Then in the Getting Started menu, go ahead and click Connect your inReach device. Find the type of inReach device you have. I happen to have the inReach Mini, so I click on that. Here's where pairing your Garmin inReach to your cell phone begins. Go ahead and turn your Garmin inReach Mini on. Going through the inReach Mini menu settings and stuff can be a little bit tricky, but just keep in mind, if you see on the screen there, the left-hand side buttons are your up and down buttons. That top right-hand button on your inReach Mini is your OK button, and then that bottom right-hand button is your let's go back. I don't want this. I want to go back to the last menu. Once your inReach is on, go ahead and hit the OK button, and then go ahead and hit the down arrow on the left there, and you're going to keep scrolling down until you get to Setup. When Setup is highlighted, you're going to go ahead and hit that OK button. Now you are in the Setup menu. Once you are in your Setup menu, go ahead and keep clicking that down arrow button until you get to Bluetooth. When Bluetooth is bold and highlighted, go ahead and hit that OK button. Once you're in the Bluetooth menu, go ahead and keep hitting those down arrows until you get to Pair Device, and then click OK. It's going to start searching for a device to pair with. Go ahead and grab your phone with the Earthmate app open and click Connect. Your phone will now be searching for an accessory. Once your inReach appears on your phone there, go ahead and select that Garmin inReach on there. Congratulations, your phone and your inReach are now paired. Now, in the Garmin Earthmate app, go ahead and on the bottom of your screen there, click Messages. Once it gets to the Messages menu, go ahead and on the top right hand, go ahead and tap that new message icon there. It'll ask you if you'd like your Earthmate app to access the contacts in your phone. Go ahead and click OK. A blank message screen will pop up with a to section where you can decide who you want that text message to go to, and at the bottom there's a section where you can type your message. Go ahead and click on the Add Contacts thing on the right there. Scroll to the bottom of the next screen and click Phone Contacts. Your phone contacts will open up. Go ahead and click on the person you want to message and click the Message button. Now that contact is filled in on the To section, and you can go down to the bottom and start typing that message. And when you're ready, just go ahead and send that message. Now, your contacts can send you a message back. It's not going to go to your phone messages like a normal text message would. You do have to be using the inReach in order to do that because you don't have cell service, so it's not going to go through the normal avenue that you would get text messages from. You will need to have your Garmin inReach Mini on and syncing in order to get a response back. So say it's been like 10 or 20 minutes or an hour, however long you think a reasonable amount of time to respond is, and you want to see if they've responded to your message. Go ahead and make sure your Garmin inReach Mini is on. Go ahead and click that down arrow until you get to the window that says Messages. Click that down arrow down one more time, and it'll get you to the mail check menu. It'll tell you when the mail was last checked. If you want to go ahead and see if your friend has sent you a response back to the message you just sent, go ahead and select OK to check your mail. Your inReach will now be syncing and checking the mail to see if there's any response back. Your inReach will make a noise if you get a message, and you can click on that new message, but that screen's so small, sometimes it's kind of hard to read messages on there, so go ahead and grab your phone with your Earthmate app that you still have on, and in the bottom of the screen on the main menu of the app, you can go ahead and click that messages button. And any new messages that have come in should be in there, and then you can click on your new message and read it. So if your friend has indeed responded to you, you can hit reply just like you can in a regular text message. You would go ahead, hit reply in that message section on your Earthmate app, hit reply, type your message, send your message. Well, that is it in a nutshell. Hopefully that will help some folks out. I know this Garmin inReach thing is not always the most user-friendly device. I do love the device and I feel like the benefits are amazing, but yeah, it's not all that user-friendly. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to leave them down in the comments. I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.